In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply custom themes to your application generated with AI. So AI create component that looks like the AI slop. So in this video, I'm going to use the Shadcn UI library, and I'm going to update the components and styling using this. So the Shadcn has the themes where we can update the themes, and the entire page is going to update. If I go to the theming, you will see there are the component.json that has the default themes that we can override using the commands. So in the latest updates of the Shadcn had introduced the create, where we can define the custom styling. So if I go click on the build your own, this is the UI that it will show me. So we can customize everything. So if I click on the shuffle, it will going to pick any random theme and colors, typography, icons, everything. So we can change everything. So for the icons, I'm going to click on the phosphorus icon. The font, I'm going to pick the Roboto. The heading will going to be Roboto, and we can change these colors as well: cyan, blue, amber. So I'm going to click on here, and the secondary is, I think, the line will look good with this. So I'm going to click on this line. These are the base colors. Going to select the zinc, and the theme is looking good. So this is the new theme that I have created. Now after getting the theme, this is the code that you will get. You can copy it and apply it using the command, but the easy way is to click on the get code. After that, if you want to create the new project from scratch, you can just pick the framework that you are using, then click on any base library that you are using, for example base UI or Redux UI, and then you can click the apply as well. So I have a project already defined, so I'm going to click on the existing project and click on the full preset, and I'm using the PNPM, so I'm going to copy this command. Now I'm going to go to the project that I want to apply. This is the root of the project, so I'm going to open the git bash terminal inside of it. Now I'm going to paste the command that I have. So I'm going to hit enter. It will going to apply this preset. So this command is pnpm dlx shadcn at latest apply, and then the preset. It is asking me to that it will going to install and update all of these. So I'm going to just press Y, so it continued. Now it has detected my framework as Next.js, and I am using the Tailwind v4. Now it will going to update the component.json file that I have shown you before, that it contains all the theming and everything. So it will going to update this to update the entire theme of the components and colors, fonts, and everything. Now it's updating the fonts. Also my dev server is running, so I'm going to able to see the changes live as they are updated. Now it has said the preset has been applied successfully, so I'm going to go to the localhost server that I'm running. Yes, the preset has been applied. These are the new colors I have, and it's looking good than before, so it does not look like a AI slope now. So in this way you can update the entire components by using that just the one click and the one apply command. So these are every component, the file, everything has been changed. So it is looking good now. So this is how you can use the Shadcn and update your entire component library so it does not look like a slope